Today we will be doing part one of our tessellation project. So here are the items that you will need for this project. You will need a note card, pencil, some sort of marker, a ruler, scissors, tape, and a piece of scratch paper. I'm just going to put some of these things aside here. We won't need them right away. What we're going to be doing is taking this note card, and we are going to take this. I'm going to hold this in front of the camera like this. We are going to cut a shape out of one of the sides. Okay, one of the sides. So I am just going to take and I am going to cut a triangle out of that side. Okay, so here's what we are going to do. We are going to take this piece that I just cut out, and I am going to put it on the direct opposite side in the same orientation. Okay? But what I'm going to do is, I want to make sure that they line up exactly. So I'm going to take my straight edge, my ruler here, and I'm going to measure where that edge is. So it looks like I am at 4.2 centimeters. So I'm going to take this. We're going to get it as exact as we possibly can. So I'm going to go 4.2 centimeters. Just put a little dash there. And then I am going to line up that corner of that triangle so it is right there. I'm just going to take a small piece of tape, like literally a small piece of tape. I'm going to tape this piece right here. So I have, now I transplanted this piece I cut out directly across. I'm going to cut a different shape out. You can cut as many shapes out as you want. So I'm going to cut one out on this side here. I am going to I'm going to cut out some sort of quadrilateral. Okay, so make sure, because my cutting is not that straight. So you want to make sure that this goes right across there. And I want to measure, I'm going to measure from here how long it is. Looks like it is at 3.7 centimeters from this side. 3.7 centimeters. Just a little mark there. So I know where that corner has to go. I'm going to get a very small piece of tape. I'll line that up just like that. And then put that tape there just to tape those in. So you can do that for as many as you want. Once you have that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip it over on that line side, just put a little reinforcement piece of tape, just so that it doesn't fall apart. Then, what I'm going to do is take my scratch piece of paper. Now, it's going to be kind of hard to see. What I'm going to do on that white side is I am going to draw an outline of that with this marker. I used a piece of paper because, as you can see, I don't want to get marker on my desk. I'm just going to put a line. Just a thin line is really all you need. I'm doing this quickly, so it's not too fast. You'll get into your groove. You can be as simple or creative as you want. Alright, so then when all is done, we see that we have a shape with that outline on it. And then what you're going to do on the back side, on the line side, put your name on the back, and then you're going to hand it in to me. And then we will do the next step. So, part 1, tessellation.